Next stop for Shiba Inu coin. The coin that originated as a joke has grown so much that for a short time, it became the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, bearing a market cap value of over $70 billion. Indeed, isn't that an expensive joke? Hi Shiba lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Shiba will cost next week. Let's get to it. Please note that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so do your own research before investing. This war was made possible by a flock of retail investors, a group of Reddit groups, and of course Elon Musk, one of Dogecoin's most enthusiastic commentators. However, what this also did is propel many clone coins, most of which are heavily inspired by Doge. Shiba Inu, despite its requirements of being somewhat different, is an obvious example. Dogecoin displays the logo of the Shiba Inu dog breed, while Shib uses it directly. Shib, a new cryptocurrency, has already taken over some Dogecoin markets. The cryptocurrency has been named the Doge Killer because its logo is a Shiba Inu dog breed. Shib is a decentralized, spontaneous community-building experiment generated within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shiba Inu, also identified as Shiba Token, is a decentralized cryptocurrency created by an anonymous person known as Ryoshi in August 2020. Shiba Inu Shib is the newest meme coin to seize the attention of the blockchain investing world. Many view this token as a ripoff of Dogecoin because it also uses the famous Shiba Inu. Furthermore, both projects were done humorously. The producers intend to release the next coin, Bone Dogecoin Killer, shortly. Shib has already taken over some Dogecoin markets. The Doge Killer, as it's been dubbed, was created after Dogecoin and has a market capitalization of more than $7 billion as of May 2021. With approximately 400 trillion in circulation, the token's price is low, less than 2/100ths of a cent, enabling users to hold billions or even trillions of them. ShibaSwap, Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange, has listed and incentivized Shib as the first cryptocurrency token. Shiba Inu coin prices dropped by around 40% after Vitalik Buterin, a 27-year-old Russian-Canadian billionaire, donated 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund. It's based on Ethereum and has little to no underlying use cases or value. Because the token's so new to the market, there isn't much information about it yet. Dogecoin's a cryptocurrency that was created using the same technology as Bitcoin. Ethereum is used to power Shiba Inu coins. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, use the Ethereum platform's ERC-721 token standard, while fungible tokens like Shiba Inu apply the ERC-20 token standard. What is ShibaSwap? ShibaSwap is Shiba Inu's own decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, enabling buyers to trade Shiba Inu for other cryptocurrencies. The coin supporters describe it as a safe place to exchange your valuable crypto while staying decentralized. To guarantee a secure launch, ShibaSwap is experiencing security checks, audits, and final updates. Participants in the network will swap their tokens directly from their wallets with other ERC-20 compatible tokens on this non-custodial platform. Because they don't retain vast quantities of Bitcoin to tempt hackers, non-custodial exchanges are often more secure than centralized exchanges. Investing in Shiba Inu is risky though. Shiba Inu tries to increase consumers' earning potential. The project's primary goal was to develop an ERC-20 token and ecosystem that were economical enough for anyone to acquire millions of them. They purposefully priced the project's tokens considerably lower than a cent. The plan is to make the platform profitable, even if it only makes 1 cent. So far, the developers have been victorious in this regard. It's critical to understand that Shiba Inu has had a fantastic start. However, because the platform is new, all investors are now uncertain. When Changpeng described the initiative as attractive but very high risk, he mirrored these sentiments. The objective for Shiba Inu is to seize this momentum and channel it into future ecosystem expansion. Investors are at significantly more critical danger of losing money, especially given the market's already high volatility. The Shib price in the past few days had managed a balance along with the apex levels of the symmetrical triangle, about $0.00000762. Eventually, an inverse head and shoulder pattern was made in the hourly chart, triggering the rally over $0.00000807. The highly caused volume in the early trading hours accompanied the price close to $0.000001 levels. However, it failed to cross. Nevertheless, the price still has a powerful bullish momentum to rally high as the price drop is extraordinary at the initial support levels. Despite the price jump, it's very early to term the price ascent as the Shiba Inu price rally, as the price requires to meet today's trade above the 10-day SMA, around $0.00000864. Shiba Inu price is supposed to surge high, somewhere near $0.01 in 2021 if the bullish momentum intensifies. Moreover, if the rounds of the launch of ShibaSwap come to reality, then the target for Shib price may be attainable. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency price has grown around 400% in the past month. However, it's down by 76% from the all-time high reached in mid-May, reflecting the recent volatility on cryptocurrency markets. The Shib price spiked by as much as 26.8% on 31st May, prompting renewed expectations among traders that the coin will rally to rival Dogecoin. Shib is a community-driven project based on the Shiba Inu dog meme, with its popularity principally driven by social media. It's been dubbed the Dogecoin killer because the project site claims it can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time, with no centralized team, no funding, and no direct leadership. The Shiba Inu price took off on 8th May, when Tesla's CEO Elon Musk's presence on the Saturday Night Live television show in the US prompted a sell-off in Dogecoin. The Shib price rose from $0.00000279 to $0.00001897, with the trading volume jumping from $367.4 million to $6.1 billion, and immediately boosted the market cap from near zero to $6.2 billion. Shib traded at an all-time high of $0.00003888 on 10th May, but collapsed back to a low of $0.00000642 on 19th May, in the days after Buterin offloaded his holding. The price went up to $0.00001195 on 24th May, but retreated to $0.00000732 5 days later. It hiked higher to end May at $0.00000928. The coin's price stood at $0.00000879 on 2nd June. Some so-called altcoins can spike quickly when they first launch and then quickly lose their value. Does it mean it's now too late to get in on the action with Shib? According to experts, technical analysis confirms that short-term sentiment on the Shib coin is bullish, with 19 indicators giving off bullish signals compared with 6 bearish signals. There is support at $0.0007 and $0.000008, with resistance at $0.000009 and $0.000001. The Shiba Inu price prediction from algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor anticipates that the token will return to the $0.000013 level by the end of the year, reaching $0.000023 by the end of 2022, then double to $0.000054 by the end of 2025. The Shib crypto price prediction from Digital Coin puts the coin at an average of $0.00001298 in 2021, increasing to an average of $0.00001655 in 2022. For the longer term, it estimates Shib will average $0.00002599 in 2025 and $0.00003911 in 2028. Shib price will more than double by the end of 2021 to $0.00002023 and climb up to $0.00002230 by 2022. It predicts the price will touch $0.00003106 by 2025 and in 5 years trade at $0.0000386. The forecast from Gov Capital suggests the price will climb from $0.00004 at the start of July to $0.00008 at the end of December, then rise to $0.0000140 by the end of 2022 and $0.00045 by the end of 2025. Coin Arbitrage Bot is also bullish on the price, forecasting it will increase from an average of $0.00012 in 2021 to $0.00005 in 2024. While the Shib cryptocurrency has one of the fastest growing communities with more than hundreds of thousands of people throughout various social media channels, there are a few points to keep in mind when looking into the project. First, their official Medium page has only 2 posts. The first one was the development news, and the second one was an update that came many months later and didn't give any critical updates. The Shib founder is anonymous. It's unclear how many developers are running the project. There's no precise roadmap for when users can anticipate project updates and deliverables, such as the ShibaSwap exchange. The total supply is 1 quadrillion tokens. That's a lot. Half of them are probably burned because they were sent to Vitalik Buterin. It's a speculation to examine whether he would do something with them, but given his status in the community, it's doubtful he would do something to harm the ecosystem. However, plenty of token holders have a high percentage of the residual 50%, a red flag. The Shib token has already developed more than 18,000% over the past few months, which entitled it a spot in the top 20 largest cryptocurrencies, with a market cap of $12 billion according to CoinMarketCap. Is Shib overvalued? Only time will tell. Let us know in the comments below when you think Shiba will hit $2, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.